what we are having for
there is someone is suffering. They can subscribe. Just subscribe.
I think go beg you. Please subscribe. Buy data. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, never.
Hi, my name is Harriet Abraham. Keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bamiloye. Okay? Please keep on watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV. Subscribe.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim Adaza. Keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Barrister Judith Otobo. Please keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV.
Good day everyone, my name is David Omotosho. I want to please encourage you to keep on watching Dagbotos TV. It's a YouTube channel by Niyi, Ade-Eko. I assure you, you won't regret it. It's filled up with Christian content and there's a particular episode that is ongoing presently. It is called Baba Daradara. This morning episode actually triggered my testimony. You see, there are some people I've been following, I've been looking up onto, I've been turning to before, and yet they kept on turning me down. But by God's grace, now the table has turned. They are the one looking up onto me. I assure you, please visit this channel, subscribe, like, and share. And God bless you in the name of Jesus. Please have a nice
Praise the name of the Lord. What I've said God for bringing us to the month of May 2022. And I want to believe you enjoy the testimony of that brother. Actually, when I sent the link of episode 2 to him, that was last week, Monday, immediately he sent me a comment that, Pastor Niyi, I also have a testimony to share. And he did a video himself. I was surprised. I was even telling him that even because of the distance, he resides at Oshogbo, I would have loved to take his testimony so that you can hear his full testimony. He was rushing it anyway, but our God is wonderful. Okay, in this family of God, when you are not a monk, honestly, you are missing a lot. When you are not identified in this family of God, you are missing a lot. So next week is another time of Baba Daradara. There are wonders of God. There are miracles. There are testimonies that is more than enough to convince you that Jesus is Lord. He is the Almighty. All power is in His hands. Until next week, Monday, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to Dagbotos TV if you have not. Give us your like by clicking on the like button. Drop your comment. And if it's testimony, no problem. Thank you. God bless you.
Hi, my name is Akwete Precious. Please keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV.
Hi, my name is Adeboye. Keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV.
My name is Olakomi Oyedoyin. Please keep watching Baba Daradara on Dagbotos TV. You can as well subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and make your comments. Thank you.